Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we're sharing our 2019 e-commerce marketing calendar, your guide for the year. Jumping right into January, your focus this month will be on building out your marketing plan based on the customer journey, starting with getting visitors to your site. Email marketing remains the most effective and direct way of nurturing and communicating with your leads and turning them into customers. Focus this month on drafting out your email marketing strategy. If you need a little help getting started, check out our guide, Email Marketing Made Simple at OptinMonster.com. In February, we'll take our email marketing to the next level with email list segmentation. You can easily segment your email list with an opt-in like this one, giving your website visitors a chance to self-select their interests and other demographics. Once your email list is segmented, you can expect to see higher open rates, better click-through rates, increased sales, and even better customer retention. In the month of March, we'll work on our lead generation tactics to increase our email list. Some lead generation ideas include creating a lead magnet coupon, writing high-quality blog posts, and using compelling social proof like testimonials and customer reviews to build trust and encourage sales. In the month of April, you'll want to pay attention to your email subject lines with the goal of increasing your email open rates. Remember to be personable and engaging on a human level, write with mobile users in mind, be original and interesting, and try out emojis. Take advantage of wedding season and promote high-ticket wedding gift and bridal party items. Travel sales will also start picking up, and you can offer benefits like gift wrapping and free shipping. In the month of May, we're going to focus on our buyer persona or customer avatar. Once you've defined your perfect customer, you'll be able to speak to them in a much clearer and convincing way. Carrying that concept into the month of June, we're going to work on improving our email copy. Some ways to write engaging email copy include writing like a real person, conveying action with power words, and remember not to engage in any sleazy marketing practices. July is statistically the slowest month for e-commerce sales, so we'll want to get an exit intent opt-in on our site with an appealing offer to encourage those website visitors to stick around and shop. Good news, you'll see sales pick back up around mid-August. Help encourage this by putting on a back-to-school sale with a countdown timer counting down to the first day of school. The month of September, we're going to focus on developing your social media presence, specifically by generating leads on Instagram. You can generate leads on Instagram with ads, but for free by engaging with your audience, sharing user-generated content, using Instagram stories, and partnering with an influencer. October is the month you'll need to plan ahead for the holiday shopping season, including Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Consider creating an opt-in with a free shipping offer or creating an upsell promotion, and make sure to optimize for mobile. In the month of November, we'll be focusing on an abandoned cart recovery strategy. 70% of shoppers abandon their carts, so we'll want to get this in place before Black Friday. Some ways to reduce abandonment include using exit intent pop-ups, being upfront about shipping costs, enabling guest checkout, and sending out abandoned cart email sequences. Congratulations, you've made it to December. As your year draws to a close, it's time to reflect on which campaigns worked, which didn't, and which emails you can automate. 4 commerce email automations that all businesses need include abandoned cart recovery emails, new subscriber welcome emails, most valuable customers funnel, and a new customer automation sequence. And don't forget, at OptinMonster.com, we have a free ebook for you about 19 proven ways to reduce your cart abandonment and grow your revenue. Sign up and get access today.